we stay for a night in Pension Peking here in Diepholz, Germany. Look, here's the place where we stay for a night. Ayan, malinis siya. May painting pa ng Bangkok. At look, the garden outside. Ayan, doon nakapark ang car namin. So, we're here in the village after Bekta Diepholz, the name of the village. Na magkapit lang sa Koppenberg. No, dinalaw namin ang friend ko. Tapos, ayan yung CR. And look here outside actually. So, may dining room. You can eat here and they have a kitchen also. Nice to stay. Look, beautiful and quiet place. So, yung mga room. At ito yung room namin. Maganda, diba? At napakalinis niya, sobra. Kami lang yung nagdumi. At maganda rin ang toilet. Yung vacuum. So, this is the toilet. Malinis. Sabi ko sa inyo, malinis lahat dito. It's really clean here. Here in Peking Pension Restaurant. Yan, pababa. Baba tayo. So, we don't forget anything, huh?
No, I have 2 bags.
So, that's the restaurant. Restaurant yung sa baba. Pero sarado yun ang restaurant. Yeah, there's the restaurant. Look. That's our room. Beautiful roses. Look.
Yeah.
Ayan. Ang gardener nila ang ganda. Diba? Hi!
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dankeschön.
Oh, ang dami nilang apples. Look at the apples.
Wow, you bring many stuff, huh? You'll see the band.
Ang dami din bunga ng peras. Hindi lang apple, may peras din pala sila o pareho ng amin. Pero mukha siyang bayabas. Ang peras nila mukhang bayabas. O ang apple talagang mukhang apple. O diba? Ayan, ang sarap. Mukhang ang sarap naman niya. Pero maliliit pa kaya hindi pa pwedeng pitasin. So dito ito sa dekoran ng Pension Peking and Restaurant here in Germany in Diepholz.